Hannah Jackson, your Roadmap reporter here. The world of work is changing fast. Gone are the days when people worked for the same employer from their first day of work to their last. Today, we're learning to work more flexibly. We may have multiple jobs in our lifetime, and that can mean finding creative and sometimes entrepreneurial ways to make a living.
Britain is seeing quite a boom in food-related startups. Some of the most creative businesses are cooking up a storm in the kitchen. It seems we love street food culture and can't get enough to satisfy our foodie obsession.
It's the right time to join the trend and start a food business, especially if you've got something different to offer. So I've come to meet two cousins who have done just that, to find out what it takes to set up a food business from scratch. Oh, hey guys, hi, it's Hannah.
Hi, lovely to meet you.
Lovely to meet you.
Hi Hannah, Nish. Welcome to En Route. And yeah, this is our brand new little vegan cafe in southwest London where we celebrate culinary creations from all over the world.
So yeah, vegan food is a very fast growing market at the moment, but what have we got on the menu today?
Well, for today, I think it would be really nice for you to have a Raja wrap.
Fantastic. Well, I'm very excited and looking forward to you making this for me.
Well, here's the catch. You're going to make the wrap yourself.
Oh, I'm making it, am I?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
Let's get culinary creative.
Lead the way.
Come to the kitchen.
I am really excited to get going.
So-
Okay, what do we start with?
Here we're going to take our wrap, then we've got our raw rainbow salad that we've got to put in first.
Oh, that is absolutely lovely. So, was it quite easy to set up this business, or was it harder than you thought?
It was quite tough at the beginning, naturally as any business starts, I guess. But since starting and keep on progressing, working hard, all the things have aligned, and now we're going forwards. We do lots of events and private catering, and the En Route story and word is spreading far and wide.
So, how many years have you been doing this then?
So En Route started 3 years ago, still going on now, and yeah, it's been a good journey.
Okay, hot sauce time. Okay, so recommended is 3, is it?
3 drops.
Okay, right. Well, I might go for 4.
Go
but-
for 4.
Okay.
Bit outrageous.
There we go. Oh, should I?
Yeah, we go the same side. So sides in,
Yep.
we fold over, and the idea is to tuck it all in,
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
and then
good.
flip it.
Oh. Well, that looks delicious, Nish. I can't wait to try it, and I think it's lunchtime, isn't it?
It indeed. Bon appetit.
Thank you. Well, Nish, that was absolutely delicious. Thank you for showing me how to make that, and not that I'll be able to do that at home, but I'll just have to come back to En Route. And I can taste that hot sauce. Right, well, I've tried the food, but now I want to hear a bit more about the business side. Now, I understand you're both cousins, so what's it like working with family?
It's great actually. Nish is like a friend to me more than anything. Friend, brother, cousin. So anytime I get to spend working, it's time spent with him. So it's good.
Now, you're probably not going to like this question, but who's the boss?
This guy's the boss.
This guy's the boss. Yeah, well, I do a lot of the business side. Nish does a lot of the creative side of things.
Works. Perfect harmony.
Well, the business is clearly doing really well, but it can't just be the two of you.
Well, we're probably going to be taking on more staff as we expand the business, and we've got plans to take this sauce, our homemade Raja Bonnet sauce, to shops all across London and beyond. We stock it in the store here, and we sell it online. So plan is for the sauce to take us onwards and upwards.
Ah, okay, so this is the hot sauce that I had in my wrap. Well, you will definitely need to expand the business if these hot sauces take off, which I'm sure they will.
Yes, indeed. And that's not all. There's one more little secret to show you.
Ooh, I'm intrigued.
Let's go have a look.
So this is what I've been meaning to show you, Hannah. And this is our En Route van.
Here it is.
When we're at events and festivals, people know they're attracted to this big yellow van that they know is celebrating goodness.
Okay, so the van has been a great success then.
A grand success, so much so we're probably going to buy another van to do more and more events, markets, festivals next summer.
Well, I will certainly be looking out for you out and about then. Well, thank you so much, Nish. Your food is delicious. I love all of your ideas, and it's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Hannah.
Thank you. It's been really inspiring to meet some people who have the courage to strike out on their own and do something different. And who knows, maybe we'll all be running our own startups in the not too distant future. This is Hannah Jackson, your Roadmap reporter, signing off.